to rotate a video on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rotate a video before post it on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on post icon at the bottom, click on upload. Now I choose this video, click on adjust clips and click on the rotate icon at the screen and the video will rotate, and choose whatever you want, and this is it. Click on next and post the video. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and don't forget like and subscribe if you like the video.